Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Greetings, alishanmao here, and welcome to White Dragon Caves. This is a 360-degree video, so feel free to move your phone around and look everywhere. Like now, if you move your phone up, you can see how the roof has been carved by the dripping water over the centuries, I believe. And if you're watching it on computer, please feel free to move the view with your mouse. This cave is 2 kilometers long inside the mountain, but normally they don't allow people to go that long. So we are only enjoying a little bit. You want to go up? We are tired of going up. There's a dragon. Oh, is that a dragon? Oh, it's mummified in the stone. I'll get close. I'll get close to the dragon.
看白龙就是在这个位置啊！摇出上面的朋友下来往这边看白龙马了啊，在这里啊！我灯光所照的这里啊。对，白龙不能够标注册商标在这边，白龙马。啊，对。
Is there a ghost here? Wow, look at the forming of stones here. Look at the forming of the stones here. Okay. It's bothering my video. Whoa, look at these pillars.
Wow.
Are they real?
Yes.
Oh, look at that one up there. If you move your view forward, that's like a dragon tooth up there, right?
Yes.
That's why they call it a dragon. I feel like there will be some alien or thing, wrapped around the wall and come out and, put its tail, stab us with its tail, stab us and take us up and eat us. Look, even water dropping from these, right?
Yes.
Keep going.
Ooh.
Oh, look at these stairs.
Of course, I made it.
Don't slip. Watch your head.
Sit there.
Keep going, honey. Yeah, right. Don't go left. There must be dragons sleeping there.
So deep here. Wow.
Look at those popsicles hanging all around.
Up there.
Ooh, look at the roof is so high. Please move your view to see on the top. Look at the roof ceiling, not roof, ceiling is so high. And look at this pillar at the right side. Look at that pillar.
How much here?
Maybe centuries of water dropping that it formed like that.
In my eyes, that just looks like
Look,
a dragon.
yeah, it's just like back of a dragon with the scales, right?
Oh.
Let me see how high I can put my camera. Look at that. That's like a dragon body with scales on its body. Hey, dragon, dragon, dragon. Are you here, draggy, draggy? No, there's no dragon. Keep going.
Careful.
And down there, if you fall,
Look here.
you will never come up. Okay, let's keep going.
Bones. Bones.
Bones. Dragon bones?
Maybe.
Oh, now my sweat dried and I'm feeling cold now. It's the best way to worsen your cold. When you catch a cold, you go and have a big sweat in a hot, climb mountain for 100 or 200 meters and then get into an 18 degrees cold cave.
Down there.
Look at that. What a rooftop like, man. I mean, ceiling is like.
Hello, Dada.
We should bring our light. We forgot it, right?
Yeah.
We should bring our light.
Now we go home. Now we go there and take the come again.
No, it will be too late. We are almost out.
Must be this fast. Yeah. So later. More down.
You are going to walk 2 kilometers in this cave? You sure?
Yeah. More down. I want to go there and see.
Okay. Keep going.
You better don't go, honey.
Hadi, come on.
This is deep. Wait for me.
Everybody is waiting for you. Winding path leading to scheduled spot scenic spot. Okay, so I'm gonna stop this video. I hope you enjoyed this video and the views of this cave. I will shoot a part 2 of that, so stay tuned for this. Have fun, people. Stop recording.